today we're going to do some perspective drawing with cars. So we've drawn a car like this from the side. We're going to try to draw one like this in 3D. Now perspective is one of the hardest things for people to figure out, but there's a trick to doing a really easy version of this. So we're going to start with a Hummer, because a Hummer is one of the boxiest vehicles around. You cannot find a vehicle boxier than a Humvee, except for... So we're going to look at this minecart here from Minecraft, and we're going to look at the way this looks like it's 3D. From the side, we just see a rectangle, but if it rotates, we start to see this side here. It's going to be very, very thin at first, and as we turn it, this side is actually getting thinner in our vision. This is getting thicker. And then now we're seeing more of this, and we're seeing this slip away, and finally we're seeing the front. So to make it look 3D, one of the things we can do is draw this side and this side. We could also draw these top lines here. There's a line here that's basically parallel to this. Now these two lines, we know they're parallel, but they're not appearing to be parallel. They're actually pointing towards a vanishing point, maybe right about there. So to draw things perspective, let's start with this very, very boxy thing. From the side, this is a snap. You draw a rectangle and put a couple of wheels in it. That doesn't look 3D, but I'm sure some of you have done this trick where you draw a cube, where you draw a square, and you draw another square over here, and then you connect these corners. This is what we're going to do with this guy. We're going to draw a straight line and a straight line and a straight line, and then we're going to draw this line again right here, and we're going to draw this line again right here. Now it looks like it's in 3D. Now there would be some lines here, but because this thing is solid, we can't see them. It's like drawing this thing, but without these lines there. Now if you can do this trick and make a cube 3D from a couple of squares, you could do the same thing with something more complex like a car. If I could draw this shape over here and connect the lines, I'd have a car made out of glass. But if I did a car like this and didn't draw all of it, I would just simply copy this line I could have a 3D car. So we're going to do that in detail in a moment here. Let's get a reference material out, and I'm going to start drawing a Hummer with the 3 lines. So this is exactly what we've done before. Drawing it from the side, we're not getting anything fancy. This is all stuff that we've done. And we're going to stop with that sketch right now. Now, an easy way to make this look 3D is we're going to kind of fake these lines that go away from us. And this shape here, there is another one back here. So right here on this corner, we're going to draw a line. Now for now, we want all these to be parallel. The left side of your brain is going to see this, and it's going to want to make you draw lines out like this. If you do that, you can see the front of your car and the back of your car at the same time, and that doesn't happen in this universe. So the left side of your brain will sometimes get in the way. We want to tell them to go sit in the corner for a minute because we want this to look right. So all these lines are parallel, and we really don't care how long they are at the moment. This line here runs almost right up on the back of the car. We may not be able to see that. And technically there'll be a line back here too, but it's inside the Hummer and we don't see it, so we don't really need to draw it at this moment. Now, this line, the silhouette of the car, we're going to draw the same line over here. Just like this cube is duplicated here, we're going to draw this line here. We'll start one line at a time. Now this is going to go straight up. It's going to go the same direction as that one. That one goes straight up, so this one goes straight up. This goes sideways, so this one goes sideways. And then when it hits that line, it's going to go straight up. And when it hits that line, it's going to go straight sideways again until it hits that line. And this one we may not be able to see. It looks kind of 3D already. If I put the division for the windshield in here and put a couple of headlights and a grill, it looks like a 3D Hummer. Now, there's something a little bit wrong with this, why it doesn't look right. And that says if you saw this from the side, you wouldn't see this front at all. And if you turn it like this to see the front and the top, these lines are no longer going sideways like this. They're going like that. We're going to draw the same car again, but we're going to slant these lines. So this line here, your left brain's going to want to make you to draw it like this. We're going to draw it straight up and down, parallel with the edge of your paper perhaps. And then our wheels are going to not quite be round, they're going to be more little ovals. But all of our detail lines are going to go straight up and down. So it's like the whole thing is like skewed. Like we took it and then stretched it that way. Now when we draw these lines that go off at an angle, I'm not sure we can see that one at all. This line goes straight up and down. We make this line parallel to that one, and then we go up. Now we've got a 3D car that looks a little bit more 3D. Hello, I worked hard to make this easy to understand for people. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I have to have a shout out to my subscribers, all 4 of you. Thank you, and I'm going to keep on making more of these. See you next time.